it's time for a Dirt Daily, and this one's going to be really quick, really easy. When I was on Ultimate Adventure with Noob Sock, I drove up a hill and kind of slid backwards and hooked the driver's mirror on a tree and busted it off, and it's been held on with a piece of tape. And even though I said I wasn't going to do any videos on the Jeep for a while, I got some new mirrors from Quadratech, and I'm just going to bolt them on really quick and show you how to do that. This is going to be super basic. A lot of you will never have this problem, or if you do, you'll be able to do it at home, no problem. But I'm sure there's somebody somewhere that's like, how do I replace the mirror? Well, here you go. On my Jeep, it's a Sport. It's like the base model, and it doesn't have any controls or wires or anything going to the mirror. There's literally 3 bolts right here on the door. You're going to want a Torx bit. This is a T40, I believe. Yes. And you're just going to open the door, put it in there, and back the bolts out. You probably want to put the window down so you can hold the mirror while you take these bolts out. They're just long bolts. You're going to want to save these because I don't think the new mirrors came with bolts. And you just back them right out. Once you get those 3 bolts out, the mirror drops right off. Now, one thing to notice is there's a little rubber gasket on here. That's what seals up against here. And also, this triangle kind of hooks over the sheet metal. It doesn't just slam right in, you kind of have to hook it over. So I also add these little convex mirrors. I really like those. They help for seeing if somebody's right there in your blind spot, or when you're rock crawling, just to help you keep an eye on like the tire while the rest of the mirror might be looking out all over there. So this thing can go in the trash, and we'll put the new one on. That just loops right over there. Grab a bolt. They go right through those holes. And well, bam. Put the other 2 bolts in and torque them to, what's it say? 10 88 inch-pounds as per instrucciones. You can get this stuff from Quadratech, but these are legit Mopar mirrors. It looks much better now. If you have power mirrors on your Jeep, you're going to have some wires in there, I'm sure, that you'll have to plug in. I don't know if the wires will come out that hole or if you'll have to take the door panel off. Luckily, I have the base model. Super easy. So there you go. How to replace a mirror on a new Jeep JL. And you're done. I actually got 2 of them, so I think I'll put the other one on. All right, that's it for this Dirt Daily. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time. I should probably save a few bucks and peel this old little mirror off. Stick it on the new one.